guys, welcome to the new property that I'm working on. You guys saw an update already. I actually have a designer, interior designer that's going to come help put this together. Her name is Teri. She's actually coming in right now. So we'll meet her, talk to her, and see how things go. Hi, Teri.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, good.
It's nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. I got you an orange.
Oh, thank you.
So I got a pretty good deal on this place, but as you guys watch the video, you'll see that there's a massive amount of work that needs to be done here. Probably why I got it so dang cheap. Yeah.
Maybe.
So hopefully after we're done, this place will be appraised at over I'm hoping like 1.1 and some change, which then I could take my money back out that I put into this place. That's why we have Teri here. She's a professional. My buddy Shanne, who's a contractor and a realtor here in Capitola and Aptos. You guys will meet him in a second, but we've kind of connected and we're working together now. And I'm excited for you guys to see what this place is going to look like. And you have the before, you have the tearing down of what the property looks like. Then you guys will get the next video in the next series of what the finished product's gonna look like, or the updates on when like the bathroom gets done and stuff like that. So thank you guys for being here. Make sure you like and subscribe to my page, and we're gonna jump into some other stuff. All right, so my buddy Shane's gonna be coming in right now. He's a contractor, agent, father, uncle, brother, cousin, nephew, wife. Did I just say wife and nephew? Anyway, Shane, you there, buddy? Somewhere? I'm gonna give everybody this orange. What's up, man?
Hey, how's it going?
That's the special orange that I give everybody that comes in this property. I want you to take it home. It's been here for 6 months. It's for you, buddy. I got it for you.
I don't know what to say.
You're welcome, buddy. You're welcome.
Good to see you.
Good to see you, man. So Shane actually lives here in Capitola, right?
Aptos Capitola, right on the border.
Yeah. So he's been here for a long time. He's an agent, a real estate agent, a special agent, what else do you do?
Real estate broker, a general contractor,
all that good stuff.
Airbnb investor.
Airbnb investor.
Fix and flips.
Everything.
We have 2 home furnishing stores.
Oh, that's the other thing too. Furnishing
things.
stores downtown. Do you want to talk about that real quick?
Sure. So we just opened a new shop. It's called Clementine and Company. It's right in Capitola Village, right in the corner of San Jose Avenue and Capitola Avenue. And so Teri and 3 other artists have brought in their stuff. Kind of like a collaboration, between the inventory that I have and their inventory, and it's super cool. You gotta come check it out. We also feature a lot of local artists and craftspeople stuff.
Yeah, so Shane actually helped me with the outside deck, and then we have another crew that's actually working the inside. But one of the things that I really like about Shane is that he gets stuff done quick. He makes things happen. He knows everybody in this market, which is awesome. After we finish renoing, did you hear that? After we finish all the repairs and all the stuff in here, what do you think this place will be worth, like afterwards?
It won, like pretty
so?
easy, yeah. Right now, like hands down, like an appraisal all day long.
So initially, I was thinking that I was going to spend $100,000 on this place, but it's really looking like $200K. But for now, this is basically like a BRRRSTR. I just made that up. I'm going to buy, rent, rehab, refinance, and then short-term rent it. So hopefully
BRRRSTR.
BRRRSTR.
Wow,
You got it? See, I just made that up. First time.
Redefining the investment world.
And hopefully it's going to perform as an Airbnb. I think it will. The numbers here are looking fantastic. So, and I'm going to be using this for my family and stuff. So, well, Shane, thanks so much for being here. We'll leave all this Shane's information in there, and the Clementine and Company store. We'll have that, which is downtown. Awesome. Well, thank you guys. We appreciate it. Please like and subscribe, and definitely connect with Shane. So, Teri, we were thinking about putting what are those things called, Shane? The electrical...
The LED fireplace, like what we've been doing. That's what we have on a lot of our listings, super popular now.
Yeah, so we're thinking about doing that right here, and then it's some kind of cool top that goes up to the ceiling, or the very top right there, like tile or something.
Can you imagine a really cool, rounded back chair that kind of swivels, where you can talk to somebody socializing here. You can turn, and it softens this corner. Plus, you can turn... Look at this view, read, so I feel it's nice.
I know this is a little, out there, like for the norm, but like, look, you're in your master suite. That door's going away. It's going to be a big window. But shower, just a glass panel. You could see in the shower from the bedroom. I just thought that'd be cool. And then have the vanity kind of like an island here. And you guys can object.
I'm sorry. Can we repeat,
I know.
Can we repeat that one more time?
That wall will just be glass. So you can actually see the shower from the bedroom.
I'm a no on that.
That's what I'm saying. You can override it, but the thought was to really open it up and make it kind of different or kind of cool.
Yeah. Well, we're basically getting to do stuff from scratch. And that's why I want people to come in here and be like, this is where I needed to be. Mm-hmm. And then I also want people, like, if I ended up selling this, she ends up listing this, wow, this is a house that we haven't seen something like before, or this is different, or it's already performing Airbnb. We got the license already. this is going to be sell as a profitable short-term rental. Well, yeah, if you can think on that or draw something out, that'd be awesome. Okay, so here, I definitely need your thoughts on this bathroom. Big open shower. I kind of want to have something kind of cool right there on the side. That's where the little wash station is going to go right there.
So what we gotta figure out is lighting, like doing a little chandelier, and then what's gonna happen with lighting here.
Yeah. And you kind of get the concept that we talked about before, like the boho, modern. If we can keep stuff local here in this town, like I'm all about that. Like anything that's here that we can use, totally do it. Like I think that's where I really like the ecotourism stuff that comes along with that. I really want to connect with companies that are here and just be like, hey, we're going to be doing this. We want a part of you here. If we can get QR codes, whatever, whatnot. We want our guests to experience your places. And I think we're going to open the doors up. These are what, 32s, Shane?
Yeah, I think there were 32s.
I think we're going to go a little bit wider. We're going to widen them a little bit.
For the closets, did you guys talk about the
Oh,
closets?
yeah, you know what, Terry? So closets, these doors, and that door right there, obviously we're going to get rid of it. Can we just paint these, or do you think we can just paint these, right? These are still good. So tile right here, I wanted to do some kind of cool tile here too. I don't know, we somehow tie it into the rest of the house. So my idea was like you come in here and you see the open rails and everything. You have this like grand view of this space.
I know of an amazing, oh my God, it's the most amazing light ever. It's in a lot of magazines, but it's got to be the right house, and this is the Bohemian.
Yes, let's do that. And then let's talk about the kitchen now. So you know what I'm going to talk about? So we can do that for this here too. Get rid of this and just do the reclaimed wood in here too.
Well,
and then we could do the lighting in here as well. What about like color bottom cabinets?
I think we should go, and I'm normally not this way, I think we should go neutral.
What about like backsplash stuff that can go back there too? Or no, you're just thinking just flat, leave it?
I think a backsplash because it is an Airbnb.
Yeah, so we can have stove and then a couple of the floating shelves, and then
You could do a feature wall there with just a little accent shelving on
Right.
that. But that would be really cool.
what do you think the timeline is going to be on this?
I don't know. I can guess, but I haven't found that crystal ball.
Yeah,
It's,
no. Yeah, we'll have to chat again later. I'll send you an email. We'll chat like, you know, what the fees are going to be and all that other stuff too.
Okay.
So, all right, guys. So we've kind of did a little walkthrough of the property. This is going to cost way more than I thought. And initially we had $1,000 budget. Are you serious? $100,000 budget. It was just $100,000 to have the decks and all this remodeling and stuff being done already. Plus my holding costs that I have, which are $5,000 a month. So you add that up. So I'm probably essentially going to be $100,000 over where I thought I was going to be, which will put me in at $200,000 for this project, which is a lot. So I'm hoping that after we refinance this, that I will be able to pull that cash out. And in order for that to happen, I have to actually probably be right around 1.2 million, which I think is potentially going to happen. I don't know. We'll see what the market does. But there's a lot of work to be done here. This is like a passion project of mine to own a property, like literally by the water. If you have any questions, if you are doing a flip right now or you're working on a project, leave a comment down below, and please like and subscribe to my page because that helps me with the algorithm, and the algorithm is my friend, which should be your friend too. So appreciate you guys for being here on another episode of BRRRSTR with me, Jesse Vasquez. See ya.